Hello, Sonic fan kids, and hello, you Sonic fan collectors. What I have here is a unknown four-bladed ceiling fan that I got at my local this and that vendor's mall. Used to be a Habitat Community Restore. Here's a closer look at it, and it pretty good, I guess. It's not hooked up, so I can't show it running, but it won't like crazy. And I can't get it balanced for some reason. But it's one of the kind of fans that I really do like because I remember seeing this. I remember seeing a lot of these when I was younger. I remember seeing one of my Uncle Bubby's trailer's bedroom. It had 4 to 3 blades on it. And the 3 blades made it out of balance. And I wanted it so bad. And this fan right here basically reminds me of it. Yeah, it's a pretty good fan, I guess. It makes a sound when it wobbles, go tick, 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 tick. So, although I don't know if it's the mounting bracket. I got a really weird mounting bracket. You probably can't see it how it's mounted up there. But it's a really cool fan. It's one of my favorites. I remember seeing these in restaurants, houses, and basically pictures and all that. I've actually seen these before. Basically, I have. So yeah, this fan basically belongs to me. So I better let you guys go and let you see what you think of this fan and see what this thing is, because I believe in it's a heritage. I believe in it is because it looks like a heritage, and it looks like one of them CEC jobs. It has to be either a heritage or CEC. So I don't know. So if you guys let me know, I'll basically make an update video on YouTube and basically hoping to get a lot of views. And basically I'll post it on Facebook, see how many views it gets on there. Alright. Follow me on Tumblr, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook. Contact me on YouTube, if you will. Be sure to subscribe to my Reddit. And basically, if you don't have Reddit, I suggest you create an account and download it. Basically, yeah. If you don't have Twitter and Tumblr, I suggest you find me on Snapchat if you have Snapchat. And basically, you can find me on there. So basically, yeah. Trevor King, Son of Fans and Like Pictures, over and out.